Well, ooh, today I am having White Castle. And this is going to be my new spot. May need a little more light. Definitely going to do a little bit more decorating. But this is basically where I'm going to be in the foreseeable future. Unless I do over at my chair, which I very well could do that every so often. But my chair is too big for back here. I'm going to get a smaller, like more manageable chair. This is that big old Hercules chair that I had in my bedroom. But all right, let's see, what do I have from White Castle? I have their little cheese sliders. Yum. And I got the snack pack, or stack, I think it's a stack is what I got. It's like 10 of these babies. They gave me loads and loads of mustard and ketchup. Ooh, they're looking delicious. Oh yes. Oh yes, White Castle delivers. So, and they're still warm. I was so afraid. My driver was supposed to be bringing stuff elsewhere as well to another customer, I guess. And so I thought I was going to be waiting. I thought I was going to have a... What is happening here? So I thought I was going to be waiting for my food, and it was going to get all cold. They forgot my chicken rings. Damn you, White Castle! I was looking around in the bottom of the bag, and there's more of these onion ring things. Well. Oh. Okay. Nope. White Castle did not pack my chicken rings. But those onion rings, or onion chips, are good. All right, let's get into it. All right, I'm about to trigger every single one of y'all. All right. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh. Pause. Okay. Alright, I had to check my order, and not only did they forget my little chicken rings, they forgot my drink. I had a strawberry lemonade that I did not get. So I got a kombucha. Oh. Raspberry lemon ginger. Ooh, she nice. Let me make sure there's no... I don't want a ring on my table. Okay, that's 1, 2. Do mustard. Yeah, I'm living dangerously. You don't know how it is. All the mustard. Oh. Got the kombucha. And the coldest water bottle. we love coldest water. They still pay me regularly, so definitely good friends. Oh, good. Love these little burgers. Used to be I'd just get the plain ones. And then I realized, what are you doing, Candy? You know you love cheese. Okay. Oh, damn it. These little onions go everywhere, don't they? That's good. Okay. Just hitting my spot, I tell you. Man, they gave me all kinds of condiments. I'm gonna load this one down. Yeah. Mayo, ketchup, mustard. Oh, this is nuts. I shouldn't do this. It's just gonna squirt everywhere. Look at that. Look at that. That's good. Oh man. I know you guys are dying for an apartment tour, and I've been discussing it with people. It's getting closer and closer. Right now, we're still working on like putting stuff away in the bedroom, and today pretty much just like my knick-knack type stuff, nicky-nacky goodies stuff. And y'all know what doom boxes are? Yeah, I just recently learned about doom boxes. Doom boxes. And it's kind of like an ADD, ADHD thing, where you've got all this stuff, and it's like just a jumble of stuff that you need sometime at some point, but you just don't know where to put it. So it all just kind of just piles into a box. Well, I have doom boxes on top of doom boxes within doom boxes. So, So I'm just trying to like either clear it out, find a place for it, organize it, or put it into like doom storage where I can kind of like see what it is, kind of know what it is. So when the time comes for me to use the item, I'll know which doom box it's in. That's so cool. Literally, with my friend Chris's help, organizing my whole life, basically. And he has been a godsend, so yay. Yay. Man. God damn, he freaking loves some damn White Castle, I tell you what. So big shout out to Chris, you guys. Big shout out. And I will be doing a walking tour through my whole apartment. See my living room, my kitchen, my dining, like, mukbang area, my bedroom, and my bathroom. I'll show y'all everything. You know, once it's completely put together, everything in its place, and I get it, you know, get a nice clean on it. Y'all see what I'm working with here. It's, I think y'all will be impressed. It's pretty nice. It's a nice little place. It's a nice little place. I'm gonna be happy here. And very cozy, and it feels like home. And I've got my little Echo Dot. You know, Alexa, you know her, to keep me company. Oh, mayo. I'm going out again. That was good. Ketchup. Mustard. Oh, excuse me. Kombucha. Let's eat and help cure my gut biome while I'm at it. Oh yeah, those are good. I'll put a third one on there. They're perfect all by themselves, but I was like elevated deliciousness. I'd have stuck a dang chicken ring on there too if I had them. Oh. There's some cleaning stuff out here. Let me take a page out of Nick's book and get like a tablecloth. Which I think, well, I know, a fan recently purchased a tablecloth for me on my Amazon wish list. And I'm going over to Susan and Thomas's place tomorrow, actually. We're having their birthday parties. You know, it was their birthday this past week. Mm. Mm. And I have a rolling storage cart and a tablecloth someone bought me. Mm. And once I get it, I can send like a thank you note and whatnot. But to the person that bought those things, thank you very much. Mm. Mm. It's 50 by 80. I don't know if it would fit this or not. Mm. But if nothing else, it's something to like cover my eating eating area. Mm. Which would be good. Need a little bit of water. Mm. Mm. Because, you know, I don't want to get like grease stains in my nice wooden table. This is basically this table, the tagline from the company that made this table was Tables for Infinity. You know, that's great and all, but my apartment is nice. It's really nice, but the floor, y'all, the floor is so uneven. I'm gonna have to get like tape some kind of something underneath one of the legs. It's like my table wobbles. And get one of the legs like propped up really good. But like put something under it so it doesn't like come undone or anything. Because I gotta move my table a little bit to like get back here. This is a work in progress. But I'm so happy it's making progress. It really is. It's good. Besides all the moving and settling in stuff, I've been watching that show Peacemaker, like a DC show series. Just finished it last night. I tell you what, the little intro music. The intro in general is just comedy, but the music is kind of like 80s hair metal music, and it's like gets stuck in your head. A little annoying, but anyway, the show's really good. He's one of those characters you like really want to hate, but then he grows on you like a fungus. Like he's really a sweet, endearing guy when it's all said and done. So it's worth giving a watch if you like DC superhero type stuff, and it's a little more adult than the like CW shows. It's on HBO Max. I think it's a Showtime show. No, it's Cinemax. HBO. But I don't even know. I watch it either on HBO Max or Hulu. Oh yeah. Another show I've been enjoying is Raised by Wolves. Also on HBO Max. It's really good. It's a good, you know, like, science fiction. Mostly, I've been playing a lot of Skyrim on my PS4. A lot of Skyrim. It's fun. It's like my favorite game. But I also have some other games to try. whenever I get bored of Skyrim. Because it does happen eventually. Oh, excuse me. It does happen eventually. I'll play for a month or so and I'll get bored, but actually, I don't know if the last time I actually got bored of it, but it was because I changed to a MacBook, and you can't play Skyrim on a MacBook, so. And also, like for gaming and stuff. And I know y'all are gonna be, but sitting up to do gaming is not as easy for me anymore. Or at least for now, I should say. I like to kick back in my chair. That's why things like The Sims became easier for me for the last few months or so. Dang, sciatica. It's like I thought my arthritis and stuff was bad before, but man. In this last week, of being here in the apartment, though, I've kind of had a lot more relief. Probably because I'm doing a lot more. I mean, it's not like I did absolutely nothing at the house, but just walking back and forth to the bathroom is a longer trip. So, so it's good. It's good. I should do a weigh-in for you guys soon. Let me just do it. I'm curious. Maybe before my walkthrough I will do that. Why not? Okay. I think I'm going back to the condiment ones. I like the condiments. I like them just by themselves, but it's like, y'all know how I like a little bit extra. Shout out to the commenter who's been every single week saying you didn't get extra sour cream. How do people come up with these things? And it's every freaking video. Hey, what about the sour cream? And they know me. They know me. Because it's no matter what I'm ordering, from Taco Bell, it's give me that extra squirt of sour cream or some chipotle sauce. So, yep. And if I can have a milkshake, a lot of times I'll do a milkshake too, so. Oh no. Need to get some special cleaning stuff for my table. I'm oh, there's a grease spot. I don't want grease spots on my table. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, that Peacemaker song is all up in my head right now. Y'all go Google it or something. I could save a couple of these. I want 3. I had 10. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, no. Copyright. Yeah, thank you though. this? Who's Michael? Long live Michael. I don't understand. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Never sleep on sliders. There are a few good reasons to pretend to be asleep, like to trick a bear who's roaming through your campsite. But for Michael, it was to score some delicious sliders when his father came home late on Friday nights. He'd pretend to fall asleep watching TV in the living room and would wake up once those steamy sliders were present. Much respect, Michael. I can't pronounce your last name, Michael. But yeah, 2020, El Paso, Texas. That was Michael for that one. Long live friendship. Oh God, are there stories on the back of every slider? That's fucking cool. I did not realize. Okay. Long live harmonic cats. Cool cat of the crave. Oh, it's a band. As a member of the band, the Harmonic Cats, 20 million song seller of Peg O' My Heart. Dick shares his love of the castle with everyone he meets, with quick bites between tunes. He puts a pep in the step of all those he meets. Okay, that's in Dick Gardner in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. That was in 2009. All right. Where do you send in your crave story? Probably got a website. Yeah, probably on the website. All right. I thought that was cool. Okay. I'm gonna save a couple for later, because I can. All right. What I ate 7 sliders, which is pretty impressive. Yep, 7. And almost all of my little onions. Which the onions were really good. That was better than I thought they would be. All right, fudge dipped cheesesteak. Cheesesteak. I think my next mukbang is calling. Cheesecake on a stick. Ooh, that's cute. It's got the little cheesecake crust. You know, chocolate dipped. Yeah, that's a winner. It's better than cheesecake. Chocolate covered cheesecake on a stick. Yeah. That's lovely. Whoa. A bit of water. Delicious. Is that my table? Yes, it was. Tell you what, there's some weird noises in this apartment. Like everything is settling. It's cool though. I'm kind of digging it. But yeah, it's the table though, man. This guy's a little rocky. Yeah, I feel like I'm climbing mountains here, so it's okay. I mean, the floor looks nice. It doesn't look uneven, but it's just uneven. And it's like, it's just the way it is. But alright, you guys. Second mukbang in the new apartment down, and apartment tour is coming soon. Do not fret. Do not fret. But thank you guys for spending a little time with me today. I love you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye now.